Hello, I'm Marcus. Welcome to British English Wonder Room. Last Friday, Matias, Romero and I hosted our very first English Chatroom session. 16 came in total, 10 from Argentina and 6 from the UK. It was enormous fun chatting together. Here are some shots of the event with some explanations. Images of under 18s have been blurred out. When you come into the room, you can choose which circle to join and chat with whoever is there. You can then wander around the Wonder Room, joining with others to chat to. No one outside the circle can hear you, and you can also lock the circle if you like. When you click on the two arrows top left, the participants occupy the whole screen. At the top right, you can find a list of participants, and as you hover over someone's listing, you can see where they are in the room. If you click on their image in the room, you can see their answer to the set question, which this time was, "What is your level of English?" If you press your cursor over them, you will join their circle. There can be up to 6 hosts, and they can broadcast together to the whole room, which can apparently contain up to 1,500 people. In our next session, after a time when you can wander around to explore the room, we plan to break into groups of 2 or 3 with one English speaker in each group. Whatever country you come from, you are welcome to join us. We also need English speakers for one-to-one conversation. It's useful for students to hear unique forms of pronunciation, so wherever you are from different regions in the UK, India, Australia or the USA, you are all welcome. If you would like to join our next session, please email britishenglishwonderroom@gmail.com. This address will also be posted below. The date of the next session will also appear below. If the time or day is not convenient, please write to us to suggest ones that would work for you. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you soon. There now follows a speeded up excerpts from the session.